Hello guys, hope you all are fine today. Okay, today our topic is very special for those people who are suffering from like suspension or ban of TikTok agency ads account. Today I will give you a very best and strong account of TikTok agency ads account like warm up account or use TikTok agency ads account. As you know, new TikTok agency ads account are suspended immediately when you buy or when you run for your first ad. But this didn't happen in the warm up account. If you take warm up account or if you need any warm up account or used account, just contact or reach out on our whatsapp number is given on the screen. Okay, just follow this number and contact us on WhatsApp. We will provide you this best strong TikTok agency account with high spending from $0 from $10 spending to like 2,20,000 $20,000 spending. If you need any spending account between 10 to $2,20,000 spending, just contact us. Okay, I will show you this spending account on this screen. Okay, just see. This is just template. If you need any of these, I will provide you these. Okay, these all are for sale. Okay, just like this is very high spending account, like $2,20,000 spending on that account. We will make so many sales of our Shopify store from this account. This is my personal account. I want to sell this account. If you need any account for your business or for your Shopify store, just contact us on WhatsApp. Don't hesitate. Okay, if you need any account in future or any help regarding sales in TikTok agency, sales in Shopify, or sales in any your online platform to sell anything, okay, sell anything online, just contact us. We are here to help you. Okay, hope so you like this video and also subscribe this channel for the future videos, upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Khuda Hafiz.